Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last time, okay? Kindly hit the subscribe button and join the family, okay? I do lots of videos about hair, lifestyle, so you do want to stick around because you're going to love it here. Today's tutorial is about how I achieved this Marley twist. It's Marley twist with some boo vibes. Yes, as you can see, if you would like to know the tea about how I achieved the look, then please do stick around and keep on watching. Hi guys, what happened to my voice? Ooh. So I'm in the bathroom and it might echo, so I don't know. I have curly ends, so that is what we're going to try to achieve today. And the hair that I'm going to be using are this pre-stretched Jamaican twist in 36 inches. I don't think I want mine to be so long. There's a light and soft touch. Well, it is softer than the kinky hair that I used to use back home. Pretty much why I didn't bother bringing yeah, it kind of feels soft to touch compared to the kinky braiding hair that I've used in the past. So I got 4 packs of these. I got one in this color 99J, then the rest I got in color 4. Yeah, I'm going to just mix this one a little bit throughout the hair. Just, yeah, I like to give my hair some dimension. And then for the curly tips, I went to the affordable route. I'm not using no human hair bundles. Nope. So I got these expression twisted up 100%. I can tell. This is what the curly hair looks like. And you guys, the moment I started to separate them, I started to have second thoughts. I was wondering, did I make a good choice? But actually, it did hold up. I wore my hair for about 3 weeks and they were fine. They were good. So to begin the hair prep, I decided to, to lay out the braiding hair just so that it is easy for me to just pick and go. So I'm starting with stretched hair, freshly washed and stretched hair. So I stretched out my hair for a little bit and add them in the chunky twists that you see right here. And I'm just going to take them down one after the other and braid along. So the idea was to create sort of a pineapple type of patterns. You guys know those cuts in a pineapple. That was what I was trying to imitate with the patterns, not straight line patterns, not square shaped patterns, but yeah, we call it pineapple patterns. So I part it and I use the mirror to check with the mirror at the back. Yes, I have a mirror right behind me. So I just use it to check. Again, I'm not going for precision. I just want it to be as good as I can get it. So to create the Marley twist, I first start by braiding my natural hair. Then I begin to feed in the braiding hair bit by bit, just so that I can create the knotless effect. So I'm doing like knotless Marley twist, if that makes sense. So slowly, after feeding in all the braiding hair that I want to feed in, I start to twist my hair. So to add the curly hair to the tip, I just add it as if I want to continue adding the regular braiding hair to continue twisting. And yeah, I do it by allowing one side of the curly hair to be longer than the other, and then I twist all the way to the end of the kinky hair, or the end of where I want to have it. And whatever is left of the shorter portion of the curly hair and the kinky hair, I just start to wrap it around all the way back up. I'm so sorry that the clip is not very clear enough. I was totally out of frame. So I'm just showing you how I twist again more closely. I'm going to show you more closely how I feed in the Marley hair to continue twisting. Just stay tuned. And guys, can we just appreciate the color mix? How the 99J, the wine color, is just blended beautifully with the brown color. I absolutely love it. It would be such a bore if you had to watch me braid every single hair on my head. So yeah, I had to go do the other parts off camera, and I'm just showing you how I managed to get the hair done. So I was already thinking that I would not be able to complete my hair before work on Monday. So I decided to braid or twist the front, so that since I work from home on Monday, I can just always pack my hair to the back to create the illusion that yes, I have a fully plaited hair, if that makes sense. So for the rest of my hair, like I was showing you, I was creating pineapple patterns, or should I say regular patterns. So however, I wanted the front patterns to be kind of defined in a way. So that's also another reason why I decided to like section off the front section parts and do them first before completing the middle part of my hair. For the times that I mixed with my hair with the color 99J, this is what I did. I add 2 strands of the color 4 and 1 strand of the color 99J. So I just fluff them all out, feed them in no particular order. Okay, well, I mostly start by adding the color 4, then eventually I add the color 99J. So I'm showing you one more time how I add the braiding hair and just twist along. And now I'm about to do some real good magic. 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned from it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying it out. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.